Hi everybody, it's the RetroYuuki once again giving you guys today's Mudae game tutorial. If this is your first time here on the channel, I do tutorial videos, product reviews, game streaming, and a lot more. So if you guys are very interested, make sure you guys subscribe and like the video for more. Today's Mudae game tutorial is we're going to take you through the basics of the game and how to play, as well as some tips and tricks, wish list, and some basic commands for you guys. So basically, the Mudae game on Discord is a Discord bot which allows you to claim your favorite characters from your favorite anime and cartoon shows. Let's take a look at how to play. Let's get started with this game, shall we? The goal of the game is to claim as many characters as you can before your members do it for you, against you. Let's take a look. Some basic commands before we get started. We have $sign. The $sign is the prefix for this bot. You must use the $sign before using the command. So for example, $H allows you to roll a character that is male. $W is female. $HG will allow you to roll a character that is from a video game that is male. Same thing for WG. Okay, for female. We can also have HA. We also have MK. Now MK is only for those of you in the premium servers. I actually have one for you guys, and the link is in the description below. So make sure you guys check that out. But MK allows you to roll a character that has been claimed, and instead of claiming a character, you can get Kakera, which is a currency system here in the Mudae game. Alright? So let's take a look at some characters that can reroll. Let's go ahead and claim somebody right off the bat. Let's go ahead for a W, or waifu. And Catherine, from Catherine. So each time you roll a character, you're going to have a name card and where they are from, either a video game or an anime or a cartoon. In this particular case, it's actually from a video game also named Catherine. Therefore, we also have a picture of the character in question. You also see this heart icon. Now, regardless if it comes in single hearts or double hearts, it's the same concept. Your goal is to click this heart within 30 seconds of this character being rolled in order to claim the character. That's why I call it the claim game. In our next tutorial, we're going to go over how to show off your claims. But click this heart to claim the character. Unfortunately, I already used my 30 seconds. So I cannot claim this character. Let's go ahead and roll another one. Another waifu. Or W. $W. This time I'm going to claim a character and I'm going to claim this one. So if you claim correctly, you're going to see this message pop up. Not $, but your username and the name of the character are now married. Now, you can change this message, and I will show you how in our few tutorials from now. So now that we claim a character, the next time we try to claim a character, the Mudae bot will not allow us to because we already claimed a character within the claim reset period. I'll explain what that is in just a moment. Let's go ahead and roll as many as we can. So I'm just going to roll randomly here. Ooh, there's Blink. But I can get them. I only have 2 rolls left, as you guys can see. Let's see what we can get. Ooh, wow, that's a good one. So if I try to claim again, let's say this one, it says for this server, you can claim once per interval of 3 hours. The next interval begins in 7 minutes. With this being said, I am officially over the claim limit per hour. You can only claim once every 3 hours. That means you have to be very careful of how do you use your claims. You get one claim. A premium server, depending on what the admin does, you can claim every hour. In my server, I'm going to link you in the description, I actually set it up for one claim per hour. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and link in the description below for my Discord server on Mudae. Now, that's a claim reset. It's every 3 hours. A roll reset, however, as you guys can see here, in this server, it's only limited to 10. Okay? Now, if your server is not premium, and because a lot of people might be playing, they're going to limit you to 10 as of this update. In order to re-roll, you have two options. You can wait until the next roll reset, which is every hour, or you can use $vote. Now what's going to happen is you're going to get this link. It's going to go back to the link where you got your Mudae bot. Instead of saying invite, you use vote. Let me show you that right now so that you guys understand how it works. So I'm going to open up my internet here. So let me just go ahead and change the window to the internet. So you're going to get this particular page when you want to vote, okay? Now it's going to say you can vote every 12 hours. So I'm going to vote. You need to log in though. Once you're logged in and you authorize, and you have to wait for this ad to finish, unfortunately. You skip ad, you vote, and once you're logged in, it should be good to go very soon here. Now sometimes it does take a while, and then you can choose to remind you or remind me every day. If you remind me every day, it's going to remind you like a notification. Okay, so you're good. Now, go back to your Mudae bot area or your server. And what you do now is $rolls. And if you get that check mark, that means you are good to go. And now you have your rolls again. Okay, so you keep rolling. Now, the trick here to use for like if you can claim or not, use $TU. This means you can use timer up. That's what it's called. You can claim. You cannot claim for another 3 minutes. I have 10 rolls left because of my roll reset using vote. Next roll reset is in 3 minutes as well. And I can react if you do Kakera, which I have a tutorial for you in the cards up there. I can react to Kakera right away. And my daily Kakera is ready. Okay. Now, voting is every 12 hours. So keep that in mind. Then you can continue rolling like normal. Now, let's say that you want to wish your wish list. To wish a character, $sign wish, and a name of the character. Okay. I'm gonna wish RUKA, Ruka. That is actually the Japanese name given to Luna in Yu-Gi-Oh! 5Ds. And my check mark is good, meaning that character exists, that character is good to go. To check your wish list, $WL. And I only get one because I only wish for one. Okay? And you may have noticed there is a 7 here. I can only get up to 7 wishlist characters, pages. If the admin is nice enough, they can give you more. I'm going to be nice as possible in my server. Okay, so let me know if you guys want more. But I only get 1 because I only have 1. Now, I'm going to wish for more because I want to explain something. I'm going to wish for Kagamine Rin, the Vocaloid. And I'm going to wish for, let's see, RUA. Yes, that actually works. And I'm going to wish for, let's say, Luna Sailor Moon. See if that works. No. $, let's say wish, Dawn. And $, wish. Who else do I know? Luna Loud. Whoever want. Why did I go through this, you ask? That's because Mudae game will allow you to wish for characters out of 7 in this test server. What this will do is if a character is rolled from anybody and it matches the one on your wish list, you're going to get a notification right away on that character has been rolled. Let's say for example, Dawn has been rolled and I have her on my wish list. I'm going to get a notification saying Dawn has been rolled and I have 30 seconds to claim that character. If I don't, I lose out. Okay? So that's how that wish list area goes. Okay? Now, so some tips and tricks for you guys. If you guys are playing as a player, you want to make sure notifications are on, especially if you are playing with your wish list. Another tip I have for you is, make sure you use your claims wisely. You only get 1 claim every 3 hours on a regular server, and depending on if the admin is nice to you or not, you get to claim 1 claim per hour. On my server, that's how it's set up right now. Let me show you my server. I'm going to be nice to you guys, give you a glimpse of my server before you join. Oh, by the way, I do have a gaming section. I'm going to show you something cool. I'm going to do a roll right now, just because I like it. I'm going to show you my TU right now. So, on my server right now, I can claim because, well, I haven't claimed yet. But I have 19 rolls and 1 MK. Okay? My next roll reset is in 11 minutes, 12 p.m. Okay? So with that said, mine is set up to every hour. And here's how you can tell. $sign settings. That is only for admins though. But I'm going to show you my settings. Just so because I like you guys. Rolls per hour, 18. Exact minute of the reset, 0. Claim reset every 60 minutes. That is only available for those of you who are in a admin server, Mudae server, that is premium. That is what you guys can do. I'm the admin of this server because I'm the one that made it. So you get 18 rolls, you get 0-0 interval, and 60 minutes per claim. So if you want to claim every hour, there's a chance. And the link to play here is in my description. Okay? So in my TU, it's going to be that you get 19 rolls. But the rolls are the same. But it's instead of 30 seconds, I think I gave you 45. Yeah, I gave you 45. Because I actually also did toggle sniping. I explained this in my advanced Mudae tutorial for moderation tutorial if you guys want to check that out. But as far as basic rules go, that's it for you guys. So keep in mind, remember, you get one claim every 3 hours on a non-regular server, on a non-premium server. You have to react within 30 seconds or before somebody else steals your character. And by the way, there is no stealing characters. You can only claim characters. But you can trade, and I'll go to give you guys that tutorial later on. But that's it for now, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and we'll see you guys next one.